My dear students, today I am going to discuss this topic, factorization of quadratic polynomial. This topic is necessary right from class 8 to 10. Class 8, 9 and 10. This topic is necessary. Now this is done by middle term method. The method that we use is called middle term method. Middle term method. Now why it is called middle term method? Because we split the middle term. For example, let us see one polynomial 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Now this is a quadratic polynomial. Now quadratic means the highest degree 2. Now see, in this polynomial, degree of x square 2, degree of x square 1, and there is no x here, so degree is 0. So this term has degree 0, this term has degree 1, this term has degree 2. So highest degree is 2. This is why it is called quadratic. If highest degree is 1, it is called linear. If highest degree is 3, it is called cubic. If highest degree is 4, it is called biquadratic. So that way it goes up. Alright. Now this quadratic polynomial we are supposed to factorize by middle term method. Now this is the middle term, minus 5. Now this middle term we are going to split. Okay. Now how to do it? Now this 2 and minus 3 we will multiply. Now this 2 is called coefficient of x square. 2 is called coefficient of x square. Minus 5 is called coefficient of x. This word coefficient. So 2 is coefficient of x square, minus 5 is coefficient of x, and this minus 3 is the constant term. Now the method is we multiply this coefficient of x square and a constant term. That means we multiply 2 and minus 3. So 2 into minus 3. Now 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Alright. Now this 6 we split into numbers. We split into factors, pairs of factors. So 6 is 1 into 6, 1 into 6 is 6, 2 into 3, 6, then 3 into 2, 6. Now 3 into 2 and 2 into 3, same thing, so we'll reject this. So we have got these two pairs of factors, 1, 6 and 2, 3. Now this is 5. Now we have to split into 6 and 1 or 3 and 2. Now in place of 5 we can write 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, or you can write 3 plus 2, 5. Now the question is whether you will write 3 plus 2 for 5 or you will write 6 minus 1, 5. Now for that purpose you see this sign minus. So 2 into minus 3, when we multiplied we got minus 6. Now this is negative, minus. So we'll take the two numbers, two factors whose difference is 5. This is minus, therefore we'll take the difference. If it is plus 6, we will take the sum. Okay, that is the rule. So this is minus 6, minus, therefore we will take this pair because the difference of 6 and 1 is 5. So 2x square as it is, minus 3 as it is. Now in place of this 5, minus remains as it is, x remains as it is. Only in place of 5, what we will write? 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, x. So we will not write 2 and 3, we will write 6 and 1. Okay. So now 2x square, now we open the bracket, minus 6 into x, minus 6x, minus minus plus 1x, minus 3. So this part we break up, so you get this one. Now common between these two, common between these two. Now between these two, what is common? 2x common. 2x common, what remains within bracket? X minus 3. And then between x and 3 nothing is common, therefore plus 1 common. Plus 1 common, so what we get? X minus 3. Now when you take common, make sure these two must always be same. This is x minus 3, this must be x minus 3. Now after taking common, always you verify whether your taking common is correct. Now you see 2x into x, 2x square. 2x into minus 3, minus 6x, correct. Plus 1 into x, plus x, correct. Plus 1 into minus 3, right. So taking common is right. Now x minus 3 is common. So x minus 3 common. So what remains within the other bracket? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So x minus 3 into 2x plus 1, this is the answer. So we have got two factors. Now why you have got two factors? Because this is quadratic. If the degree is 2, there will be two factors. If degree 3, there will be 3 factors. If degree 4, there will be 4 factors. It goes that way. You follow? Okay, now let us see the next one, number 2. So this one, 2x square plus 13x plus 6. Alright? 2x square plus 13x plus 6. Now as the rule says, we multiply this 2 and this 6. So 2 into 6. 6 here plus 6 is, we write just 6. So there is no problem of minus sign here. Here there was a problem of minus sign. Now 2 into 6 is what? 12. 2 into 6 is 12. Now we split 12 into factors. Now this time we will choose two numbers whose difference is 30, whose sum is 13. Sum is 13, not difference. So we take 1 and 12. Okay, 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, 12. But the other pairs we will not choose. We will choose this pair, 1 and 12. 1 into 12, 12, and 1 plus 12, their sum is 13. So we do it this way, 2x square plus, in place of 13 now what we write? 1 plus 12. 1 plus 12 into x plus 6. Okay, this 13 is replaced. So 2x square, now open the bracket, plus 1 into x plus x, then plus into plus plus, 12 into x, 12x plus 6. Alright. Now the next step equal to, now common between these two and common between these two. So between these two what is common? Only x is common. So we get 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Alright. And then between these two what is common? 6 common, plus 6 common. So we get 2x plus 1. So after taking common, always verify. So x into 2x, 2x square, x into plus 1 plus x, plus 6 into 2x plus 12x plus 6 into plus 1 plus 6. That means taking common is correct. Now these two are same, you see, so that is common. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 is common, and the other bracket contains x plus 6. X plus 2x plus 1 into x plus 6. This is the answer. Is it clear? Okay, now let us see another, number 3. (21x square plus 11x), 21x square plus 11x minus 2. Okay, so as the method says, we multiply this 21 and minus 2. 21 into minus 2. So what do you get? Minus 42. Now this is minus sign. Therefore we have to choose two numbers whose difference is 11. This is 11. So two numbers, two factors of 42 whose difference is 11. Now 1 into 42, 42, 2 into 14, 2 into 21, 42. Yeah, 3 into 14. So this pair will choose. 3 into 14 is 42, and difference between 3 and 14 is what? 11. So 21x square plus, this 11 is replaced by now 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3. And why minus? Because this is minus. So if it is minus, we will take the difference. So x as it is, then minus 2. Is it clear? Now that is equal to 21x square plus, open the bracket, 14x, then plus into minus minus 3x, then minus 2. Is it clear? Then common between these two and common between these two. Between these two what is common? 7x common. 7x common. What do you get? 3x plus 2 in bracket. If you take common 7x, 3x plus 2 in bracket. Now between 3x and 2 nothing common, therefore minus is common. So minus 1 is common. So it becomes 3x plus 2. So remember, these two bracketed part must always be same. So you can put this one blindly. But after putting is verify whether you have done it correctly. So minus 1 into 3x minus 3x, correct? Minus 1 into plus 2 minus 2. Okay. Now this common, so 3x plus 2 into 7x minus 1. 7x minus 1, this is the answer. Is it clear? Okay, now let us see the next one. Yes, now another with minus, say 12, number 4. So number 4, 12x square minus x minus 6. Okay. Now as the rule says, 12 into minus 6. 12 into minus 6, you get minus 72. 12 into minus 6 minus 72. Now this is minus, so you have to take two numbers whose difference is 1. This is 1. Nothing, no number is there. That means this is 1. Now 72, what are the factors? There are many factors, but we will choose this factor, 8 into 9. These two factors of 72. 8 into 9, 72. Now this is minus, therefore we will write 1 as difference of 9 and 8. That means 9 minus 8 is 1. So 12x square as it is, minus 6 as it is. Now this minus 1, minus, in place of 1, what we will write? 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8, then this x as it is. Is it clear? So what do you get? 12x square. Now open the bracket, minus 9x. Then minus minus plus 8x minus 6. Okay. Now common and common. Common between these two, common between these two. Between these two, what is common? 3x common. So you get 3x minus, no, you get 4x, sorry, this is 4x. 4x minus 3. Isn't it? 4x minus 3, because 3 into 4, 12, x into x square. Now 3x into minus 3 is minus 9x. Then plus between these two, 2 common. So what do you get? 4x minus 3. So 2 into 4x, 8x. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Now these two are same, so that is common. 4x minus 3 common within the other bracket. 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. So this is the answer. Alright. 4x minus 3 into 3x plus 2. Okay. Yes, now, so same type, but then slightly different. Okay, let us see this one. Now to the power, having this one, x to the power 4. X to the power 4 plus 7x square plus 6. Now this is biquadratic polynomial, because highest degree is 4. You see, degree is 4, degree is 2, here nothing, degree is 0. So highest degree is 4. This is called biquadratic. Biquadratic. Okay. But we'll factorize it by converting it to quadratic. We'll convert it to quadratic. How you can convert it to quadratic? By taking x square equal to y. So this is what you will write in exam. Let x square equal to y. Let x square equal to y. Now x4 is what? X square whole square. 2 into 2, 4. So x4 can be written as x square whole square. Then plus 7x square plus 6. Now this x square will substitute y. So 2y square, you see, plus 7x square is y plus 6. Now it has become a quadratic polynomial. This was biquadratic, but we changed to quadratic. How? Substituting y for x square. Is it clear? Now as the rule says, so 2 into 6, 12. Now this is plus 12. 2 into plus 6 is plus 12. So we'll take two numbers whose sum is 7. So we'll take 4 and 3. Because 4 into 3, 12, and 4 plus 3, 7. So we'll write 2y square plus, in place of 7, what we will write? 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3y plus 6. Is it clear? Okay, now next step. So equal to 2y square. Now open the bracket, 4y plus 3y plus 6. Okay, so from here we get this one. Now from these two common, from these two common. So what is common here? 2y. 2y common, y plus 2. And here 3 common, y plus 2. Now y plus 2 common. So y plus 2 common, what do you get? 2y plus 3. Is it clear? Now this is not the answer because still it contains y. But originally see the polynomial, there was no y, there was only x. So we have to put back x. So put back the value of y. So y is what? X square. So we'll write x square plus 2, x square plus 2, 2x square plus 3. X square plus 2, 2x square plus 3. Isn't it? So y plus 2 into 2y plus 3. So y is what? Y is x square. So x square plus 2, then 2x square plus 3. Okay. Now this was a biquadratic polynomial. So by rule we should get 4 factors because here highest degree is 4. So there should be 4 factors. Now this is quadratic polynomial, this is quadratic polynomial. Now we can factorize it to get 2 factors. We can factorize it to get 2 factors. So finally we will get 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. But this part is not necessary to do now. So you do up to here because to get to further factorize we have to use different rules. Have you followed? So it will that surd will come, irrational numbers will come. So therefore you leave the answer here. So this is the answer. Although by rule it should have 4 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. Now next one. Next one. Next one, this 2x to the power 4 plus 3x square minus 5. Okay. Now this came in exam several times in NCERT. Take care. So see properly. Now again we'll put x square. We'll put y for x square. We'll substitute. So this will become 2y square because x square is like before x square square. So it will be y square plus 3y minus 5. Is it clear? Now as the rule says, we'll multiply 2 and minus 5. So 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Now 10, we'll take two numbers whose difference is 3. Why difference? Because this is minus. So we'll take 5 and 2. Because 5 into 2 is 10 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So 2y square. So 2y square plus, in place of 3 now what we will write? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2y minus 5. Is it clear? So equal to 2y square. Now open the bracket, 5y minus 2y minus 5. Okay. Yes, now proceeding further, what do you get? Equal to 2, now common between these two and common between these two. So between these two what is common? Only y is common. Only y is common. Only y is common between these two. So what do you get? 2y plus 5. Okay. And between these two what is common? Between 2y and 5 nothing common. But minus is common. So minus y is common. Minus y common. 2y minus 2y plus 5. If you take minus common, inside it will be plus 5. Now as I told you, after taking common always multiply to get it back, to verify that you are right. So minus 1 into 2y minus 2y, minus 1 into plus 5 minus plus minus 5, y into 2y 2y square, y into plus 5 plus 5. Okay. Now this is common. So 2y plus 5 is common. Then the other factor is y minus 1. Y minus 1. Now we will put the value of y back. So what is y? What was y? X square. You see? So in place of y we will write now 2x square plus 5. And this y what we will write? X square minus 1. Okay. Now we have got these two factors. But one thing you know, this is not the final answer, because this part can be factorized by using a square minus b square formula. So x square minus 1 is what? X square minus 1 square. That means x plus 1 into x minus 1, isn't it? So that you have to do. 2x square plus 5 into this part we factorize, we get x plus 1 into x minus 1 using which formula? A square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. So we got these three factors. This is the final answer. Okay. All right. Now the last one. Now the last one for today. Now you see, suppose this one, okay, last one, suppose 2x square y square 2x square y square minus 5xy minus 3. All right. Okay. Now this one, how will you do? Again, this 2 and minus 3 you multiply, so you get minus 6. So minus 6, you choose two numbers, 6 and 1. 6 and 1 whose difference is 5. This is minus, therefore you choose difference. So 2x square y square minus, in place of 5 what you write? 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 xy minus 3. All right. Then 2x square y square minus x square y square minus, this is 6xy, then minus minus plus xy, then minus 3. All right. Now common between these two, common between these two. So between these two, what is common? 2 common, x common, y common. All right. So what is left here? xy left, and minus here only 3 is left. So multiply back 2, then x and x square, y and y square, then 2xy into 3, 6xy minus. So plus between these two, what is common? Only 1 is common. Nothing common means 1 common, xy minus 3. So we get xy minus 3, xy minus 3 common. So within bracket what you get? 2xy plus 1. So this is the answer. So you see, now here x squared, a difference, it is different from the other. In sense, you see there are both xy. So two variables are answered. Till the final answer xy, two variables will remain. Okay. Okay, now yes, so yes, another is left. The last one now. Last one, you see. This is the last for today. Okay. Now consider this one. 2x square plus 3xy minus 5y square. Okay, see this one. 2x square plus 3xy minus 5y square. Now x and y, two variables are there, so final answer will contain both the variables. All right. Now here no substitution. Now 2 and 5 minus 5 you multiply. So 2 and minus 5 you multiply, you get minus 10. So minus 10 you break up. This is minus, therefore you choose two numbers whose difference is 3. Now 5 and 2, because 5 into 2 is 10 and 5 minus 2 is 3. And why you have to take 5 minus 2 difference? Because this is minus. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10, isn't it? So 2x square plus, now in place of 3 what we will write? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, xy. Xy remain as it is, minus 5y square. So 2x square as it is, minus 5y square as it is, then plus in 3, in place of 3 what we write? 5 minus 2. because this is minus. Okay, now open the bracket. 2x square plus 5xy minus 2xy, then minus 5y square. So this as it is, this as it is, and then open the bracket, you get this one. Now common between these two and common between these two as a process. So what is common between these two? X common, only x common. So 2x plus 5y. And between these two, minus common, then minus common, then what is common? Y common, only y common. Only y common. So what do you get? Minus common, so 2x minus 5, 2x plus 5y. So after taking common, as I say, multiply and see if you get back this. So minus y into 2x minus 2xy. Minus plus minus y into 5y minus 5y square. Okay, minus into plus minus. Now this part common. So what is common? 2x plus 5y common. Then within bracket what? X minus y. So 2x plus 5y into x minus y. So this is the final answer. Okay. So if the expression contains xy both, then both will remain in the final answer. So this is not substitution. I followed? So these are different types of quadratic polynomial which can be factorized by using the method that is known as middle term method, because the middle term is split into two terms. Okay. Yeah, so this is, as I told you, it is very important for class 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I hope this has been useful to you. Okay then, so we'll wind up today. Thank you and good night.